Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I hope you guys are having a happy holidays and a happy and merry Christmas Eve to you all. And I just gotta say, I hope y'all got them presents tucked away nice and safe up under that tree, because a little birdie told me that the Grinch was coming to town to steal Christmas. So let's get on into this video. Okay, y'all, so I got these Grinch press-on nails from Temu, and when I saw them, I was like, oh, I have to have them because, I love the Grinch. It's one of my favorite Christmas movies. Me and my daughter love to watch it. One of our pajama sets that we got for Christmas this year was Grinch, so I was like, these nails are going to be perfect for that. The downside to these nails, though, they had too many different nail sizes with different designs and not enough that were the same size with the same design. For example, you see how I have the Grinch for my middle finger that I put to the side? There's not another Grinch face that's the same size as my middle finger. The other Grinch faces are way too small. It's like for a pinky nail. And I was like, man, so my set is not going to be completely cohesive. One hand is going to be a little bit different, but other than that, I love this set, and the quality of the nails are just so good. This is literally one set that you really don't have to do too much to. So I already applied the nails on my left hand first, and usually I do my right hand first, but I started with my left hand, so we're about to do my right hand. And I'm just applying a nice even layer of that brush on nail glue, which is also from Temu, and I just made sure I had a nice bubble of glue. And then we're gonna line that press on nail up to our cuticle area and press down, and we are going to hold for 30 seconds. And then after about 15 seconds, you also want to make sure that you start pressing against your side walls so that they can be pressed down really good too, because you want to have full coverage all over your natural nails so that your nails do not lift from the side, they don't lift from the middle, and your nails will last a lot longer. Brush on nail glue is so much easier to use than the other nail glues that come in the tube, but I do love the other Temu nail glue that comes in the tube. It's really good too, but brush on is definitely a lot easier, especially if you are new to the press on nail game. You might want to get you some brush on nail glue. It's much easier to apply, and I'm not saying that the other nail glue is hard to apply either, because it's really easy to apply as well, but I feel like a beginner would be able to manage just brushing the nail glue on versus trying to squeeze it out of the tube and like squeeze it all over your nail, and then you may have some spillage. I think brush on nail glue is just easier to control when it comes to learning how to control how much you are applying on your nails. But while I am finishing up these last two fingers, I just want to say this has been a great year, Chalk Nation. My channel has grown so much, and I truly appreciate you guys. I am literally only less than 50 hours of watch time away from being monetized on YouTube officially. I already joined the YouTube Partner Program a few months back when I hit 1,000 subscribers, but I still had that threshold of the 4,000 watch hours that I have to meet before I can officially be monetized. And so I am literally only less than 50 watch hours away, and you guys have been watching my videos and just blowing my videos up. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys that have watched my videos, subscribed to my channel, shared my videos, like my videos, always commenting on my videos. I thank you all so much. My goal was to hit that 4,000 watch hour mark before the new year, and I am about to hit that. So thank you so much, Chalk Nation. I appreciate you all. I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway when I hit that 4,000 watch hour goal, so make sure you guys stay tuned into my channel, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I mean, I'm bringing you guys on this journey with me. Y'all have been with me, so it's only right that I keep y'all updated and give back to you guys to show my appreciation. But let's jump back into this tutorial slash review video on these Grinch nails. So I've already applied all the nails, and I'm basically just using the nail file that came with the nails to file down that extra piece that's always on the tips of press-on nails, and just making sure my tips are nice and crisp and straight on the tips. That makes the nails look so good. So that's all I'm doing right here, and the nails look so good, y'all. I could literally just stop right there and the nails would be good. But of course, I'm going to take it a little step further and apply this base coat, because I am going to apply a glossy top coat. Even though the nails are already glossy, I just feel like applying that top coat is just gonna make the nails pop even harder. So when you're applying your base coat, I always start from the cuticle and paint down, and then I'm making sure I get the base coat all over the nail, including the side walls, because we're gonna be applying that clear top coat all over the nail. So next, I have my full power UV lamp, and I set it to 60 seconds, and we're curing that base coat for 60 seconds. And then I did the same thing for my right hand, and now we are going to apply our top coat. And this base coat and top coat bundle is from Temu as well, and everything used in this video will be linked in the description of this video. Temu literally has everything, and it's one of my favorite places to get nails and nail supplies from. So make sure you guys click the link in the description of this video, download the Temu app if you haven't already, and use my referral code, which is FAVE23582, to get an exclusive discount. So I just applied the top coat to all my nails, and then I set my UV lamp for 60 seconds, and I cured my left hand. And now I did the same thing to my right hand, cured that hand for 60 seconds, and then boom, just like that, we got a bomb fresh set. Look how beautiful and glossy the nails are. They are very much giving nail shop, which is what we are always going for. So now the last thing that I am doing is applying my cuticle oil, which is also from Temu. This is a really good oil. It smells really good. I got the scent strawberry, but they also have other scents, and it really does hydrate my cuticles and make my cuticles shine and be moisturized, because y'all already know I don't play about my cuticles. They have to be moisturized, especially after applying a nice bomb fresh set like this. And this is the finished look of the nails, you guys. They are so bomb. This is like top tier, and nobody would ever guess that these are press-ons, because look at the quality of the nails. And especially after taking it a bit further and applying that base coat and top coat, that gave the nails a little extra thickness and security. And I absolutely love the way these nails turned out. They are perfect for Christmas, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy, Merry Christmas, Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. I have so much more coming for 2024. Thank you guys so much. Nailmas has been so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed all the sets that I did during the holidays. Drop a comment, like this video, and let me know. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.